Is during the same time?
Yeah.
No, wait, what happened then that
waligongana, sijui nani aligonga nani kati yao wawili. This Robert guy ni mbigi akashuka.
Whipped the fucking prostitute.
Wagwan. What you mean?
Nah. Pushing P. You know what it is, man. Fucking welcome back to Cancel Culture, and you know what it is. This is the whatever.
Third edition, bro. Third edition. We're about to cancel these people, man.
Third fucking edition, man. If you never watched any of our other videos,
if you have not caught up with any of our episodes, please subscribe down below and go check them out before we tuseme mtume tuna cancel leo ama.
Yeah, or you'll be the next one to be cancelled in fact. Yeah, halafu whatever we just did here, the new salamu mpya, make sure that you don't catch COVID. They're just simple contacts.
Yeah, you know what it
is. Last week was crazy. I love this shit, man.
Yeah.
This Cancel Culture, and we're back again, motherfuckers.
Woo! Remember, to cancel mse, you don't need to talk about the person over here again.
Never.
In fact, episode ikisha hivi after tumemaliza, go and follow the guy and unsubscribe from the guy. Yeah, we're those kind of people. And today, without further ado,
sema nakutenda.
Who is being cancelled?
We are cancelling the one and only
Ringtone. Apoko.
Okay, unaona the first time ukipatiwa jina kaa hiyo, Apoko, like Apoko, this is a certified prostitute,
a certified seller,
you know,
business person. Maybe. Okay, what I know for a fact, mzee high school yake ilikuwa smooth hiyo jina.
Yeah. I think people were trying to buy some.
Ati wapi Apoko?
Wapi Apoko? Apoko kuja. Ringtone Apoko has been the talk of
town for a minute now.
For a minute, then nigga been everywhere. Ati tunauza mayai Apoko. This nigga selling.
Gari imeanguka huko kwa ile expressway.
Apoko. King Kalala amefanya nini? Ati
Apoko.
Kibe ameenda Mayolo. Ringtone. What the fuck? Without further ado,
the guy who's on the spotlight today is Ringtone Apoko, man. This is a Kenyan gospel artist. Now, obviously, amekuwa akijoke for a long time. This is a Kenyan gospel music. Instagram inse akona 570,000 people following the guy. Imagine.
YouTube 168K. Yeah.
Are you buying views?
He was doing better.
I didn't thought this guy was better. Without further ado, these are the reasons that we are going to cancel Ringtone Apoko.
Shakila proved that she slept with Ringtone, a prostitute. This was when Shakila was on Extiandela's Club COVID broadcasting live television on Instagram. I can name what?
And remember your time, unajua Shakila alikuwa na miaka ngapi?
Yeah, a kid. 19. She was a
fresh off of high school.
Fresh off.
This is a man of God.
This is a pastor.
This is
someone who is spreading God's gospel.
And what did he do?
Spreading the gospel to the pussy.
Oh my God. This guy, ati Shakila come and spread the gospel. Damn. After hizo claims, allegations, what did Mr. Ringtone do? I am not involved. Unaniekelea. Sijaifanya kitu kama hiyo. I am a man of God.
Yeah.
Shakila akasema aje? Siko kitchen yako uko na sufuria mbili za blue. Siko chungi yako si ya pink.
But come to think about Ringtone Apoko, you know, it's not like it's ati sasa tumeshtuka tze. Ringtone anaweza fanya kitu kai hii. No man. Nigga.
Umse since inge industry amekuwa tu na clout moves manze.
And this is a guy you literally can't live with your daughter at home.
Akia nani? Imagine 19 years. This is a man that is 34 years old.
Ako 34.
I don't know, but but he looks 34. You are 34.
That is child abuse, child labor.
Yeah, anampeka zenye
don't give a kid like that big stay handle. Yeah, nigga.
You trying to kill our kids? Imagine tunaweza adao dia.
Manzejo. Na Apoko alisha lay wood before even it was the bananas were ripe. Shit. No, that's one of his songs. This nigga was old from
but hiyo ndio reason ya kwanza manze. Umse alidoze na mtoi wa 19 years old, went on the internet to deny it, but who is the 19-year-old running her mouth everywhere gave us all the evidence that we needed to prove that Ringtone Apoko truly did the act, man. Ringtone akaenda pale neti a week before Zari coming to Kenya.
I remember that bullshit.
Aka declare love yake yote akamwaga hapo mao.
This was as soon as the African lion broke ties with the
after two Simba
model.
Ilikuza the lioness out of the den. Who is there? The man of God. So hiyo day ya airport Ringtone akafanya nini?
Alinunua Range Rover.
Not one. Rover. How many Range Rovers?
2 of them. Just to prove that
he got money.
He can handle
another
the princess.
Range Rover.
He can handle.
Yeah. But 2 Range Rovers so that she can impress another Range Rover.
Umse alienda as far as kusema ati akona do kushinda Dangote mwenyewe bro. What do you mean? Do you know that Ringtone? Now sit down, watch this video. This is the moment where we educate you.
This is your wake up call, Ringtone.
This is a wake up call, man. First of all, unajua Diamond akona mababy mama wangapi?
God.
You need 4-5 hands
just
to
count
the fucking baby mamas.
Oh my God.
Do you know how sexy the baby mamas look? Including Tanasha Dole. What? Do you know one of the baby mamas is from Kenya?
Oh my God. Tanasha. What do you mean? But yeah, let's go.
So, Ringtone.
Yeah.
What the fuck was you doing?
Imagine. This is now where tukajoini clout part. Ringtone pulled up to JKIA with the 2 Range Rovers and a lot of camera crew.
Yeah.
We don't know where Zari passed, but we are sure she akupita hapo pe Ringtone alikuwa. Zari came through, akaingia kwa private car, went to the hotel that she was staying at. Later on, man of God akakuja akaingia online.
Kulia.
Mwenye ameona Zari, ni airport kumchukua, mwambie niko na Range Rover zake hapa, akujie.
Okay, let me just ask. Unajua kuna vitu zingine depression inaniuanga saa zingine nikifikiria. Kuna watu wananunuanga magari kama viombo bro. Ringtone anaitia Zari Range Rover 2, unaweza dhani amemuitia sahani 2. Anamwambia ni aje kujia sahani zako ziko makejani.
Zari akaishia interview akaambiwa kuna msee fulani hapo amedeclare love. And honestly this guy
it's
what
like
you to enjoy. Akasema who they akaambiwa Ringtone a
fucking prostitute son.
Oh my days. Who the hell is that? I don't know the guy, never heard of the guy.
What? He's a big gospel musician.
Plus I can buy my own Range Rovers. So basically history yote Ringtone alikuwa na cook nini, anaandika ngoma pale behind the scene.
Chofala. Now I wasn't waiting for that shit.
Ati
Riniga was Goja, I've seen people invest in music in terms of marketing, production team, buying better cameras, hiring the best photographers and videographers, going to best sites. The nigga is buying Range Rovers for a Chile. Alafu Zari atamsaidia aje. I think this guy was
see your tension ya Zari yani.
Okay, me I'm like, when you just chill, meditate na hiyo do yako, si ndio? This nigga could have used the Range Rover moja promote music. What the fucking?
And subscribe as we keep on talking.
Please just hold on. Just go to that motherfucker's page. he needs to get to 100.
This guy is clout chasing too much. Unakumbuka udem wa kudance Asia ikitokea. Asia pull up industry. Hiyo time alikuwa
yeye ndiye anajua kutingiza kiuno.
Wakapostigi mapicha na nani? The one and only
Diamond.
Ringtone. Ringtone.
The fuck.
Walipost picha na
Ringtone.
Alafu the interesting thing about the picture ni Zari alikuwa na si Zari. God damn, kwani familia singefanyia nini? Let's take a breather. Hold on. Let's remove this cast one. God damn.
Kae Mungu aje.
Nani mbegu ya Dangote ni strong.
Mkaa hapo hivi chini for a minute tunaongelea Diamond. Tunapata tumecancel Diamond.
Hold on. Let us be serious for a moment. Apoko kwani umepigia mtu wewe.
Umsema ameitisha mganga bro. Okay.
So, Azed ametrend. This is after utawezana. Ringtone akapost picha yake na nani? Na Azed akiwa na mimba.
Yeah, I remember the photos here.
What go crazy? Yay!
And people are like, God. Of all these men that God has blessed this beautiful Kenyan country with, you decided to take the one and only prostitute?
Oh,
motherfucker, man.
So, akachocha aje? Nimempea mimba, I'm going to take care of it, blah 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 blah. Let's come to reality of
for the shoot expensive.
Aka drop another song with Asia as the video akiwa na mimba.
Bana,
hapo msi ametubeba mafala ama
hajatubeba mafamba tala ndiye
mafamba tala. Take a moment, let it sink in. Hizo vitu tatu tumeongelea. Take a minute, let it sink in.
As in,
this is a man of God.
You can imagine like how this guy has literally made us look stupid in terms of like Ringtone is the best person to promote God's industry, God's ministry. I don't know, man.
Unakumbuka dia kidanganya ati if I don't buy an i8 by the end of ilikuwa last year.
I remember that. Come.
Akaipost everywhere.
Alipost akasema Kevin Mulei,
you are unaringa
na hii gari yako. Nitanunua gari kama hii. Alafu kidogo akasema if God kama Mungu atampatia hiyo gari.
Anatoka wapi? Gospel.
Anatoka gospel. Hata record ngoma kama za kina Bahati. That's the worst you can do. Nigga, you could have killed yourself. Ngoja. Mungu patie mzee gari usinyorie. Nigga was threatening God. Do you know how many followers God has?
Imagine.
Paka wasewa if madevo ana follow Mungu.
Okay, Ringtone claimed to have become a priest and went ahead to share several pictures in a clerical garment. Is it going to be a priest zinaitwa clerical
garments.
Yes.
I think in my line of duty, there is no way I'll ever use those words that you have clerical garments. Hey,
what is that?
Holy Spirit rain on you.
I know even if kama una watch na ujui ilikuwa inaitwa clerical garment, subscribe. After some time, it turned out that he was only shooting a music video in a church.
Ngoja, hii kanisa kwanza. Ngoja. The church that gave permission for Ringtone
to wear the clerical
to shoot a video with clerical garments. Hii church ndio inafaa ibaniwe Kenya.
Pastor
amepeana watu wake.
Wanapeana
kondo ingine you are lead. Then there's one thing I think you've forgotten. Ringtone cloud chased with his Range Rover accident ilipatana naye kwa barabara, nimeshinda kuiweka in English. Ali cloud chased na hiyo. Lakini ni ukweli.
No.
Gari yake ilipata accident.
But
that was God's plan, you know when you just
see what you did there.
When you just fuck up with that
what he did there.
Yes, when you fuck up with that shit, it comes tight.
Yeah.
You remember
back to you.
Back then again there's some cloud chasing when alisijua ati alipigwa na nani. Who's that?
Senior accident, Robert Alice, that guy is
no, it's during the same time.
Yeah.
No, wait, what happened then that
waligongana, sijui nani aligonga nani kati yao wawili.
Yeah.
This Robert guy ni mbigi, akashuka.
Whipped the fucking prostitute
out of his damn mind. Hey, watu wakasema akakuja akalia nini?
Akapanda kwanza juu ya bonnet. Kwa jina la baba.
Alafu asubuhi yake anaamka amefungwa kwanza bandage hivi kichwa mzima. Nikafanywa transplant. Na mkono moja imepigwa setup plaster bandage.
Ngoja, this is Robert alive.
Kwani ni Thor?
Kwani ametengenezewa nini mikono? Kwani whip? Kwani alimpiga chuma?
Kwani mzee Ukraine? Ama ni wapi kwa watu wanapigana?
Ni wapi kwa watu wanapigana Robert?
Ukraine.
You need to be there right now.
But sasa mimi kitu na find ni suspicious. Out of all the people kwa highway, mbona wasanii wawili wagongani?
Robert alive anaweza kuanitoa ngoja.
Ringtone anaweza kuwa
What does Robert alive do?
He's a whatever he does. Anafanya hizo mambo. Podcast I guess. Blogs, ni blogger.
Yeah. Okay, Robert. I think it was a good stunt. But motherfucker,
we on your ass.
We on your ass next. We on your fucking ass.
We on your ass.
Bra.
Wainaenda.
Sijui tuandike hapa Robert alive.
We on your ass.
You remember he does. Fuck your English, nigga.
It's affecting us.
Huh? No, we gotta fucking blame you. You remember he did a video with Nani? Rose Muhando. A music video.
I can't lie. I ain't even. Sema ngoma moja Ringtone venye inaitwa.
Pamela. Yake ndio najua. I don't know any other music for real.
And without no further ado, we declare Ringtone Apoko cancelled.